Well, Thursday brought us a nice break from all the rain as we saw lots of sun and temperatures make their way into the 70s and a few of us in the lower 80s, while some of us closer to the shoreline we did see only 60s. But let's go ahead and take a look at what is happening right now, as we do have just a few stray showers for us, but as we head into the evening, those will die off. Our next rain chance is probably not going to arrive until we get into tomorrow afternoon, as this cold front will sink its way southward, currently back into northwestern Minnesota and back closer to North Dakota. But that will arrive as we head into the afternoon tomorrow, bringing more showers and thunderstorms. And after that, we get into tomorrow night. That's when things dry out and we'll see a lot more of that cooler air in place. Here's a look at where we are right now at 79 degrees, mostly sunny, winds coming out of the south at 12 miles per hour, and temperatures all over the place across the UP at 79 in Marquette. But you'll notice a couple shades of colors are here on the map, as you'll go from 79 in Marquette just off to the west, seeing temperatures that are only in the upper 50s in Houghton at 58 degrees, 54 degrees in Lonswell at 54 in Ontonagon, Ironwood at 66 degrees, farther to the south, Crystal Falls at 73, Florence also at 73, and farther off to the east, upper 60s in Munising at 67, 63 in Escanaba, and we're in that warm pocket here in Ishpeming at 79 degrees. For your current winds, 14 out of the east in Houghton, 12 coming in from the south, 11 in Munising, and at 10 coming in from the southeast in Escanaba, so getting more of that cooler air off of Lake Michigan. And temperatures statewide seeing 80s as you go farther south at 82 in Lansing, 79 in Houghton Lake, and at 69 in Rogers City. So it just all depended on where your wind direction was and where it was coming from. If it was coming off the lake, not quite as warm for today, but it looks like by tomorrow we'll start to see more of a wind shift. And tomorrow afternoon, southwest winds. By tomorrow night, northwest winds, and that will have a huge difference on where temperatures will be for us. But overcast as we go into the evening for us, as clouds will continue to build. Rain and heavy rain at times with thunder as we go into the afternoon on Friday, and it will be a cool and sunny weekend for us as a lot of the activity gets out of here. Saturday and Sunday stay dry, but a lot cooler than what we'll see from what we saw today, and also or what we are going to see on tomorrow, as it looks like highs will drop back down into the upper 40s and the lower 50s. But here's what we're dealing with right now. Area of low pressure continuing to work its way off to the south and to the east. That will drag down a cold front that will be associated with it. On the front side, some warm air and also some rain and thunderstorms. Farther to the south, they will be dealing with more of the severe activity. And for us as we head into Friday, it looks like we'll be looking out for those spotty thunderstorms before that line of showers and storms comes through going into late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. And by late tomorrow night, I would say getting closer to midnight, that's when we'll start to see a break from all of the precipitation. Your futurecast model expecting that throughout the evening, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Rain begins to redevelop as we go into our afternoon on Friday, and that will continue on for us. There goes the line that will be associated with the cold front, bringing showers and thunderstorms. That will push through, and then by tomorrow evening, expecting a few clouds still left over, but really clearing out quickly as we go into late tomorrow night and early into Saturday, seeing a lot of sunshine in store for us. It's just that we'll have to deal with some gusty northwesterly winds and also some much cooler air. Tonight, dropping down to 57 degrees, cloudy and a little warmer for us. It's not good to see that clear sky and also that warmer air coming in from the south. That will keep us in the upper 50s, so maybe even feeling a little sticky out there for you. Winds out of the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and shifting slightly out of the south-southwest at 10 to 15. Showers and thunderstorms race through. Temperatures in the upper 60s under the clouds and rain, and along 67 degrees in Ontonagon, while at 74 in Florence and also in Crystal Falls, 64 in Escanaba, 66 degrees in Munising, and at 66 for us here in Marquette. But we'll start off at 57 degrees, a little mild for us. Not seeing the rain come in quite that early, but it will continue as we go into the afternoon to develop. And after we see the rain and thunderstorms on Friday, look at how things really clear out into the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, both very clear, but temperatures in the upper 40s and the lower 50s. Could be looking out for maybe some freeze and frost advisories as we go into the weekend as well. But starting to warm up as we get into Monday, remaining dry Monday and Tuesday with highs in the upper 60s on Tuesday.